above are all the accessories of the smart gas meter, divided into 6 parts: base meter, counter, meter cover, PCB board, battery compartment, accessories. Step 1. Install the lower cover and fix 2 screws. Step 2. Install the counter and fixing screws. Pay attention to the gear of the counter and the gear of the base meter to be stuck. Step 3. First, install the antenna on the PCB board. Then, fix the PCB board. Fix 3 screws. Insert the terminal wires on the base meter and the terminal wires on the counter into the PCB board. Tear off the back glue at the end of the antenna and fix it on the inside of the case. Tear off the LCD screen protector. Step 4. Install the battery compartment. The terminal wires on the battery compartment are connected to the PCB board. Please pay attention not to reverse the positive and negative poles. Step 5. First, install the nameplate on the upper cover. Be careful not to press the wire when installing the upper cover. Fasten the cover and fix 4 screws. Step 6. Install 4 dust plugs. Step 7. Install the lead seal and clamp it firmly with tweezers. Then, the assembly is complete.